Hello friends, today we will see how to make this interesting coaster using the macrame technique. For this project we will need cotton cords. Choose the color of the cords. You will also need a wooden dowel. Fix the dowel with a tape. Cut 8 cotton cords. These cords are around 1 meter in length. Take the center and tie each cord over the dowel with a lark's knot. We have 8 lark knot. So now in total we have 16 cords below the dowel. We will tie square knots with the 4 cords. Our first row is completed. For the second row, leave 2 cords from the left and right side. Now make set of 4 cords and repeat the square knot. Now start the third row. Take the first 4 cords and tie a square knot, similar to the first row. If you see here, we have sort of a loop getting created. Now start the fourth row. Again leave 2 cords from the right and the left side and repeat the square knot. Keep adding rows of square knots. Repeat it alternatively. Keep tying knots till you get the desired length of your coaster. I have tied 11 rows. You should end the final row similar to the first row. Tie square knot without leaving the last 2. This will close the design. Remove the tape. Slip out the knots from the dowel and open them up. Cut the cords in equal length from both the sides. Here we have 11 rows. If you like this design, then leave the coaster as it looks now, or add extra cords at both the sides. We have these sort of empty loops at the alternate row. I will take this cutout and tie a knot at these loops at the side. I am using the pointed side of the scissor to poke the cord out of the loop. Now brush open the cords to make the strands loose. Do this for all the 4 sides. Cut the strands evenly in a squarish shape. Our macrame coaster is now ready. Don't forget to watch the next video where I will show you a new macrame project. For more DIY, stay tuned to What's Your Hobby?